in the still before the dawn. While others rest, your day begins. You stand poised. You are ready, anticipating the opportunity. When everything comes together and you seize the day ahead. It's on these empty streets that you find your sense of place, your space to think and just be. These times stir your soul. These moments you live for. Delivered by something so rare. Rare and meant to be. Jaguar's intelligent all-wheel drive system continuously analyzes driver inputs and road conditions. When required, it distributes power between the rear and the front wheels. In challenging environments, more of the power is transferred to the front wheels. Then, when conditions improve, it sends the power back to the rear wheels where it belongs. Perfect dynamics, outstanding performance all year round. At Jaguar, we're redefining mobility, embracing technology to meet the needs of our drivers. We've partnered with the world's leading technology providers to deliver a powerful next-generation system which goes beyond navigation. Journeys can start from anywhere, so our cloud-based system allows you to search from anywhere. The aim? To create a personal driving experience, intuitively guiding you through your journey, both outside and inside the car. Your favorite places and routes are synced across devices, and available through your Jaguar's new driver-friendly interface. This is a new approach to guidance. It anticipates your needs, solves problems, and actively supports you with helpful prompts and rich information. The interaction couldn't be more natural. It's social too, because journeys are about people as much as places. It's not just helpful for one-off trips with waypoints for things such as fuel, ATMs and parking. Even daily commutes can be improved, made easier and more efficient. As you approach the end of your journey, your Jaguar will recommend available parking locations. Before handing over to your smartphone to guide you effortlessly to your destination. Seamless support from the first moment to the very last step. Welcome to next generation guidance. Reimagined by Jaguar and here.